Hello everyone, welcome. If you're coming back from another video on the 289 series, welcome back. If you're not, if this is your first video, then this is where I'm rebuilding the 289 that's going to go in the 65 Fastback. Today's video we're going to be installing, if it's not obvious already, these cylinder heads. We're going to be using ARP hardware, and let's get started. Alright, first off we're going to go ahead and clean the mating surface, which is the deck. I already cleaned up the cylinder head. Next step is the head gasket. We're going to make sure it says front and that our water jackets are facing the rear. So we just click it in with our dowel pins. And now we could get ready to install the head gasket. And the head gasket is the same thing. We're going to align it with the dowel pins, being careful not to scratch up the surface of the head gasket. You'll hear it and you'll feel it kind of click into place. Just want to inspect around, make sure you didn't kink the gasket. So far so good. So now next up is our hardware. Okay, so before we go ahead and install our fasteners, we're going to go ahead and put on some of the supplied fastener lube onto the bottom part of the head and the washer itself. We're going to do this for every single one of the fasteners. Alright, now that we've done that and we have all of our fasteners ready, we could go ahead and start putting them in, but only hand tight. Okay, so now that all of our head bolts are hand tight, we're going to go ahead and start torquing them down. We're going to torque them down in 3 different torque specs. What I mean by that is, first we're going to start off with 35 foot-pounds. We're going to go on to 50, and then we're going to do our final torque down, which is 70. And then we're going to follow the sequence. We're going to go from the inside out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Once again, we're going to do that 3 times. So we're going to start with 35, then go again to 50, and then our final torque down at 70. Once again, we're doing the round of 35. Okay, so we're all done with the 35. We're going to move on to the 50. Once again, 50 foot-pounds. Okay, we're finally on our final torque, which is 70 foot-pounds. Alright, now that is 70 foot-pounds. This one is all set to go. If you want to double check every bolt just to make sure you got it, that would be a good idea. And then we're going to move on to the next side. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and rinse and repeat the same thing on this side. Alright everyone, so after breaking a good sweat, Okay everyone, so after breaking a good sweat, cylinder heads are finally on. They're torqued down to spec, the head bolts went in good. All the threads were all clean. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys found it informational or at least entertaining in a way. Again, for the 1000th time, this is a series, so I will be doing more videos on this engine. Okay, I'm not too sure what the next video is going to be. It could either be the valve train, intake, or anything upwards, or it could be the oil pump, the oil screen, and the oil pan. You guys let me know what you want to see next. Once again, if you guys like following along with this series or with the 65 Fastback series, go ahead and like and subscribe. Be a huge help. And thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.